I'm Miss Dayna, and I'm with Art Sphere Inc. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a food truck. Food trucks are motorized vehicles, usually a van or truck, that are equipped to prepare, cook, serve, and sell food. They can sell just about anything, as long as they have the right supplies and equipment inside their truck. Food trucks are a great way for chefs to get their food creations to others who may not live nearby. The chef can literally bring the restaurant to you. Food trucks have gotten very popular over the past few years. We see them on city streets, parked at parades and events, and sometimes even at parties. What kind of food trucks have you seen before? Have you eaten anything from one? Some ideas I want you to consider today are: why are food trucks useful? Why would someone want to own a food truck? What foods are easier or harder to make in a food truck? And what would you sell if you owned a food truck? The materials you will need today are any blank paper, a pencil or a Sharpie to draw with, and coloring supplies. These can be crayons, colored pencils, markers, or anything you have available. Feel free to use your pencil. I'm going to draw with a Sharpie. That way you can see it nice and clear on your screen. To begin our food truck, let's start with a vertical line on the left. Create a horizontal line across for the roof, a diagonal line for the driver's window, and a small bump out for the engine. Draw two circles for the tires, one over here on the left and another over here on the right. Now, let's finish the bottom of our food truck by drawing some horizontal lines in. Let's draw a long triangle for the side window. Let's make half a shape for the headlight and a half of a rectangle for the grill with a few lines for the grates and a bumper at the bottom. Let's create a trapezoid shape for the awning. This is going to go above the serving window. You could stop there with your awning, or if you want to make it a little fancier, draw a scallop line all the way across. It just looks like the letter U over and over and over again. To complete our awning, let's draw stripes. Now let's draw the food truck's serving window. All you need to do is create a big rectangle under your awning. Now let's draw another trapezoid down here for the counter. That way our customers have somewhere to rest their food. I'm going to give it a little depth by drawing two short vertical lines and then another horizontal line under. Let's not forget the menu. A square will fit best for my menu over here on the side, but you can draw any shape you want. I'm going to write the word menu at the top and some scattered horizontal lines to show the idea of small writing. But you're welcome to write out all your menu options your food truck is serving. Time to fill the inside of our trucks. I'm going to put a shelf with some food right over here. I'm creating a hot dog stand, so I'm going to have some hot dogs on the shelf. And what pairs well with hot dogs? French fries. Don't forget the condiments. Here's some ketchup and mustard. Our customers have to be able to pay, so I'm going to put the register over here. Let's finish off our tires with the hubcaps. Now go ahead and add whatever details you want for your truck. You can put the name of the truck at the bottom, you could write it right above the awning, or you could put it at the very top of your truck, like I'm about to do. I'm naming my food truck Frank's. I'm going to draw circles around my sign to make it look like Hollywood bistro lights. We want our customers to know where we're at, so I'm going to draw a sandwich board over here. Now let's just put 2 horizontal lines to anchor our food truck to the page. Now, gather your coloring materials and color your food truck however you'd like. Thanks for joining me today and learning how to draw a food truck. You can continue the journey by coming up with more types of food trucks. Don't forget to share your art with ArtSphere for a chance to be featured on social media and our online art show.